Work on Liam's page, inspired by Jack Bussey, and we've got the customer information, the fittings are actually been made, whether or not it's been assigned to a box, and the parts to be made with a list, whether or not they're machine anodized and powder coated. Just in case someone doesn't know what MAP is, the answering the question where it's asked right here, and then just a general pick list of other bits and pieces. So we've got a bunch more of our Kanban holders. So we've got them in black as normal and red as emergency, need them really soon.
Another Kanban done.
So beforehand this was very loose, and it was losing the connection, so we had to use these ones down here. So I took the backs off here, and I've done underneath, I tightened it all up, and now it's not going anywhere anytime soon.
So we had a problem today. Basically Liam had left path markers running, and you know, I'm trying to look at it like blame the process, not the person. And so path markers are 316 stainless steel. Now we normally wouldn't leave 316 stainless steel kind of running on its own. We'd normally check it and make sure that you know, check it periodically and check the parts and just make sure that we haven't lost the face of an insert or something, which happens quite frequently. Well, essentially I had 63 fouled parts, which I was checking after Liam had left, because I was going to switch it to something else, and which represents about 2.5 metre long 20mm diameter bars, and a lot of wasted time. So yeah, so to try and blame the process, not the person, I looked into tool monitoring, because me and Max was retrained on a new Nakamura, and we were shown about tool life monitoring, and we just haven't implemented it. So I've started to see if we can try and implement that today, and then I need to retrain Max and Liam once I've got it dialed in. Well, Max knows more than me right now, but when I learn more than him, I get to retrain him, and then yeah, and Liam, and we get to educate Liam as well and get to write a process on it. Hopefully we can prevent this from happening in the future, and it also means that in theory we'll be able to actually leave it running on its own like we're meant to be able to be, and not have bad parts come out. Starting to get to grips with tool life monitoring, and I'm still trying to get it right there. It's basically, it errors out when it thinks the tool's broken or if it's exceeded life or anything like that, which is absolutely awesome. It just takes a bit of fine tuning, and then you have to really kind of save that in your, you know, save that somewhere in your program, not the physical program itself, but somewhere in, I guess, your code or whatever. So when you come to set the part up, you need to set all of this kind of stuff up really.